This is the St. Monica Parish Church, sir.
Yeah, we read about it online.
From 1774.
Oh, it was first built in 1774?
Yeah.
Wow. The walls are super thick. 63 steps.
Yeah.
It's very steep too.
Steepest steps I have to go up.
Pero mas okay na siya kasi dati.
That's scary.
Yep.
You said before it was wood.
Ooh, yeah.
The stairs and the floor is made of wood.
Yeah, this is much better.
Yeah, the last.
This is the last one.
Yep.
What was this for?
This is the clock machine, sir.
Really?
It's the clock in front of the church.
Oh, okay. So the clock
Yeah,
face.
yeah.
Okay. So you have to wind it up. Are they going to restore that too?
Oh, this is the Galanesian.
And what's the story about the 70
70 stacks of Spanish coins.
Spanish gold coins?
Yeah. The weight is 18.4 tons.
Wow.
Actually, it's still
Was it
used.
cast here in Panay?
Yeah. The cast in Panay, the coins is collected the people in Panay. It's 70 sacks of Spanish coins.
Wow.
Melted. And all the bells is 9 bells from 18th century. The oldest is from 1822. The biggest bell is 1878.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Functionally still used every 6 a.m. in the morning.
9.
Oh, okay.
This is the
8
biggest
kilometers
one.
radius.
This
the sound.
church is built in 1970
No.
1774.
1774.
The biggest bell is 1878.
It's the biggest bell here in the Philippines,
No, Asia.
Asia,
Yep.
The largest.
largest.
Yeah, I might cross over you. And Panay used to be the capital, right?
Yeah, Panay Town.
Panay. This is called Panay Town.
For the story is Panay.
Panay.
Now it's Panay.